kind of deal. Truck like this, I like to shift gears just because you can get it all the, you know, everything where you want it, but we'll run that back again. I think I went to drive. That's why it went a little sluggish on us. And then you got overdrive, so we're cruising at 55 and it's 2,000 RPM. So we cruise down the highway, not worry about the motor revved up all the time. I'm gonna kill it and do another one. Are you running?
Yep.
Alright, so now the cops are gone, we're gonna cut her loose here so you can see how it runs. Second gear. Better behave. I've already got my one free pass for the day, so that's it. It runs good. I mean, for a, you know, probably 4,500 pound truck, I'm guessing motor probably making around 400, 425 horsepower at the most. It's got a big old cam in it, so it sounds nasty. Runs good, revs good. It's good gas mileage. I haven't run the gas out of it yet. So, still figuring out what we're going to price this thing at. It's kind of a tough truck because there's really nothing to put it up against. You've either got full custom trucks like these that are going for 15 to 25. You've got the really rough older trucks that just have a nice motor and drivetrain in them. Those trucks are, you know, 7 to 10. I'm hoping we land somewhere in the middle, but we will be accepting offers on it, kind of feeling out where we land. I got to tell you.